tendency, it is something that affects. Did I mess up? Why y'all keep looking over there? Did I mess up? Oh, okay. There's one more thing about measure of central tendency. This is not a way of doing central tendency, but it is something that affects central tendency, and it's called the outlier. Outlier means like something that is out there and it's lying there. An outlier. An outlier is a number that is, y'all gonna love this, but I gotta put it, kinda. Mathematicians are rolling over in their grave, me using the word kinda. A number that is kinda far away, either littler, that's another one they love, littler or bigger than other data. Number that is kind of far away, either littler or bigger than other data. For instance, I wrote a set of data right here. 18, 20, 20, 24, 50. Which one's the outlier?
50.
Do y'all see how 50 doesn't really fit with the other data? It's out there, away from it. And what that does is it's called SKEW. What's that word? Skew. It skews the data. It moves the average or the mean up a little bit, doesn't it? Because it's a big old number. For instance, over here, the points scored by a football team right here. 29, 31, 14, 21, 31, 22, 20. Pretty good football team, right? And then all of a sudden they play someone that kicks their tail, shuts them out. Which one's the outlier? 0. It affects their game average, doesn't it? Not scoring any points hurts their average. It has skewed the data. It has messed up the data a little bit because it's an outlier. And that's what an outlier is. It's a number that doesn't really fit in the data. It's too far away. But yet it was part of the data, and it messes up the central tendency. Okay? All right with that? What's wrong, Holmes?
Can you have more than one outlier?
No, not really. But you can have more than one mode. All right, here we go. Let's play with this football team over here. Oh, I didn't do us a cheat sheet, did I? Sorry. Cheat sheet. A box where if you want to put all this in little bitty words, median. What? Middle. Mode. Most listed number. Range. Big minus little. Mean. Average. Add, then what? I wanted to make it add, then divide. Now, is that a good cheat sheet right there instead of having to go back and read all that? Is that a better cheat sheet?
Yes, sir.
I'd box that in there, so that's what jumps out at me in my notes. So you don't have to go back and read all that other poop. Now you got a cheat sheet.
So when do you memorize that, right?
I'd memorize that for the old tax test. Because they will put median in there, then they'll come back with mode, and they'll come back with range, and they might come back with a mean one. And you wouldn't believe how many students switch mean and median. And I'm going, how? Middle of the road versus teachers are mean. Teachers find the middle. Okay, we're going right here. No, teachers are mean. They average my grade. All right, find the mean, median, mode, range, outlier. Mean, median, mode, rate and outlier. What's the first thing we got listed? Mean. I'm just going by this up here. Find the mean. So what we got to do? Add them all up. Can we do it in our head? Let's try. 29 and 31. 60 and 14.
74.
74 and 21.
95.
95. I like that. 95 and 31.
26. Or 126.
126 and 22.
148.
148 and 20.
168.
168 plus 0 is 168 divided by 2, 4, 6, 8. So divide by 8. 2. 16. 8. 1. Any leftovers?
No.
So the mean is 21. The mean is 21. I didn't say the middle, the mean. Okay, now let's go to median, which is the middle. Okay? Least to greatest. All right, what we got? 0. 14. 21.
Or no, 20.
Hey, 20. 21. 22.
29.
Who? 29. 31. 31. 2, 4, 6, 8. All right. Now we're going to count in. Matt marks them out as he goes in, and that's a perfectly good way. I don't like marking out my numbers. I might need them again. Boing, 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 boing. My fingers came together where?
21.
In between 21 and 22, which, are there any counting numbers between 21 and 22? No, so what's halfway between 21 and 22? 21 and a half, or 0.5, is the median. The middle. You with me, old coat? All right. What's next? Mode. Oh, that's the easy one. Mode. Most listed.
31.
What do you think? 31. It's listed twice. All the other ones are listed once. Right, Abs? Good job, girl. All right. Range. What we do with range?
31 minus 0.
Biggest? 31. Minus 0, the smallest. So these numbers range from 0 to 31, which gives us a range of 31. Outlier.
0.
Outlier, we discussed it. We discussed that a minute ago, that this football team was doing great until they got shut out, and that shutout 0 is its outlier. Okay? Now, we're not going to do these two examples, but I'm going to ask you, can you get data off of it and do the mean, median, mode, range? Okay? Where do you find the data on this bar graph? Well, it looks like it's given to me on top. If not, I'd have to go off to the side, wouldn't I?
Yes, sir.
So this one has a 72, a 60, an 80, a 68, 72, 86. Right? Right? All right. That's quiz scores, and that's not what we're going to do. Not like our benchmark. All right, here we go. What is the data on this one? It's a line plot. What do you think, Ron?
You just count the X's off the
Okay, what we got? What are my data? I want to write them down.
1, 0,
Now, you want me to write down a 1 or a 0?
0.
Ah, very good. That means a 0.
0, 2, 2. 2, 2. 2 2s.
All right, this means there are 2 2s in the data. Okay, now I got what you're saying to me.
3 3s.
3 3s,
2 5s.
2 5s,
6.
6,
7.
7,
8.
and 8. There's my data off of that line plot. And now can we do the mean, median, mode, and range?
Yes, sir.
All right, kill it, girlfriend.